Hi, Matthews here from M&O Forex Traders. I want you to remember these five things every time you are about to take a trade. And always remind yourself. And I actually encourage you to actually have this printed out because that's important, right? So these are the five fundamental truths of trading by Mark Douglas. Number one, anything can happen. Always remember that when you're taking that particular trade right there, anything can happen. No matter how perfect the setup might be, no matter how good the setup might look to you, no matter how many confluence it might have, anything can happen. Literally anything can happen. That's the reason why you should be able to predefine your risk and know exactly how much you're willing to lose on that particular trade. Number two, you don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money. All right, on the next trade, anything can happen. It's all random. But when you take the larger sample size, you know that you're going to have an edge. Provided you have a strategy that has proven to have an edge in the market, you'll be okay. Number three, there is a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge. If you know you have a strategy that has proven to be profitable, you don't have to know in what fashion they're going to come, in what series they're going to come, because there's no way for us to know in advance, right? Hence, there's that risk. We always have to accept the risk in advance because the wins and the losses are going to come in a very random way, and we're supposed to be okay with that. Number four, an edge is nothing more than a higher indication of one thing happening over another over a series of trades. An edge is nothing more than a higher indication of one thing happening over another, not 100% certainty. So if you have your strategy doesn't tell you that this is going to work, right? It just tells you that there's a higher chance of that working over time, and not just one trade, but over a series of trades. There's so much randomness on a trade by trade basis. Number five, every moment in the market is unique. Literally, like I've said already, every moment in the market is unique. That's because the setup worked today doesn't mean it to work tomorrow, right? So there's so much randomness, and every moment in the market is unique. Very, very, very important. And remind yourself of these principles every day. These are going to help you become consistently profitable. For me, I actually have them printed out and I have them on my desk. It's important for you to do the same. All right, you guys, hope you found value. Chase.